You mentioned that your father was in the sewing business?
Yes, he worked for various garment companies that made ladies' coats and jackets. He was in that union, the Ladies Garment Workers Union. And
is it the ILGWU,
yes, yes.
International Ladies Garments
Yes.
Workers Union?
Yes. And you know, he would just piecework. And when I think back, he was making our winter coats in the heat of the summer, because that's when they would do the coats. And then he would be off a certain amount of time because there was no job, there was no work then. And then he went back to making maybe the spring line or something like that. It was just, you know, he'd come home every, it was like a Wednesday night, I remember when I was a little older, and he'd have all these little tickets because it was piece. So whatever he actually did, that's how he was paid. And then he would start counting up the amount to make sure that he was going to be getting the right amount. And then sometimes he would ask me to double check the figures for him.
And how many years did he do that for?
How many years? Yeah. I think he did it for at least 20, I think 20 years in order to get a pension. So he worked till he was 67. And the pension was $100 a month. When you think, I was like, at that time when he told me, you know, I was in my, let's see, if he was 67, you know, I was probably in my 20s, 30s, and like, it didn't really register anything, like $100 a month, okay. But now when I think about how hard he worked for that $100 a month, and the good part was that he had medical health care through them, but it didn't cover my mother or me. It just covered